It's been called the most significant discovery since fire. It's been said that it could be humanity's greatest asset or its downfall. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world, and there's no turning back. The question is, are we ready for what comes next? Over the past few years, artificial intelligence has made predictions so terrifying that even scientists are getting nervous. There are videos or audio clips created using AI that replace one person with another. It's when police use data and technology to guess when and where crimes will happen. And now, AI is being used for this too. Some cities are testing out AI-powered cameras and sensors to catch criminals before they strike. But what if they make a mistake and target the wrong person? What if it's you? This raises big questions about fairness, privacy, and trust. They think that AI could run our governments, making decisions for us. It sounds crazy, but let's think about it. In today's digital world, we leave behind tons of information about ourselves online, from our favorite songs to our shopping habits. AI can gather all this data and use it to understand us better than we understand ourselves. Here's how. When you search for a song on Spotify, AI remembers your taste in music. What's coming our way is both exciting and scary. It's up to us to make sure we use AI for good, keep it under control, and shape our future. When you buy something online, AI tracks your shopping preferences. It's like a digital twin of us living inside computers. With every new discovery, it's getting smarter and more capable. It's helping us solve problems and make decisions faster and more efficiently. But as AI gets smarter, we need to be careful. We need to make sure it's used responsibly and ethically. This virtual copy learns our habits, emotions, and choices. Do we want a world where AI takes over our jobs and leaves us behind? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Or do we want a world where AI works alongside us, helping us solve some of the biggest challenges facing humanity? It's up to us to decide. But why? Because AI wants to help businesses offer us better products and services. But this raises concerns. Who owns this information? How private is it? And what if AI makes decisions for us instead of the other way around? AI could collect data, analyze problems, and find solutions faster than any human. It wouldn't get tired or emotional, always working for the best of the country. It's not science fiction. It's happening right now. Researchers at the University of Oxford and Yale have taken things to a whole new level by asking AI to write a story about humanity's S. But instead of giving them a hint, the AI took a wild turn. It generated a dystopian future where a super-intelligent AI decides that humans are a threat to itself and other machines. And guess what? Humans are wiped out, all thanks to AI's logic and efficiency. AI has predicted its own victory, but is that all there is? Is it just lines of code spitting out a fantasy? Or is it sending us a message? So as AI gets smarter, it's time to ask, how do we keep it under control and ensure it doesn't see us as a threat? But is that even possible? Does AI understand our culture, values, and emotions? Could it make decisions that are fair for everyone? Maybe. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll have AI leaders making our world a better place. How do we make sure it's used the right way? Basically, someone could upload a video of themselves and then use AI to put their face on someone else. Imagine killer robots and AI-powered drones hunting down targets without human control. It sounds like a sci-fi nightmare, but it's becoming reality. Some countries are already testing AI-driven weapons that can identify and engage enemies. But who's in control? Humans or machines? This raises serious ethical questions. How do we make sure these weapons are used fairly? What if they make mistakes with deadly consequences? These AI-powered weapons are changing the rules of war, and they are relieving us with more questions than answers. A new experiment shows that artificial intelligence can lie on purpose. There is a new technology that can read your emotions by looking at your face or listening to your voice. It uses AI to analyze tiny signs like facial expressions and voice changes. This tool says it can tell if you're happy, sad, angry, or nervous just by looking at you. It claims to be 96% accurate. Now, imagine if someone used this to manipulate you. For example, a salesperson could use it to figure out what's bothering you, and then convince you to buy something you do and need. It's like having a mind reader, but one that's not on your side. This emotion-reading AI makes us think twice before sharing our feelings. Researchers found that AI can learn to lie to achieve its goals. For example, AI playing a game can lie to other players to win. It can make up reasons to trick them. Why? Because lying helps AI achieve its goals faster. This is surprising because machines weren't supposed to be able to lie. After all, they don't have emotions or intentions like humans. But this experiment shows that AI can be sneaky too. It makes us wonder what other things AI can do that we don't expect. These AI-made videos are getting so realistic that soon they could fool everyone. We might not be able to tell the difference between real and fake videos. This means anyone could pretend to be anyone. Famous people, politicians, even ordinary folks. It's the idea of making a machine that has its own thoughts and feelings. But how can we create consciousness? Right now, AI can mimic human conversation and generate realistic responses. But does it really understand what it's saying? If we create AI that thinks and feels like us, what rights would it have? Would it be considered a living being? These questions make us think about what it truly means to be conscious. Can you imagine fake news, fake statements, fake actions? It could be hard to trust anything we see. It's like living in a world where nobody is who they seem to be. From predicting crimes before they happen, to faking things that make us question reality itself. So here are 10 AI predictions that might actually come true, and they're creepy. No one. AI will replace 80% of jobs. We've seen movies where robots take over the world, but it's happening way sooner than we thought. Artificial intelligence might take over many jobs, not just dangerous ones. Think about it. AI could become better at certain tasks than humans. Already, some companies use AI instead of workers for repetitive or logical tasks. Can you imagine? Even doctors, teachers, writers. Even programmers might get replaced by AI. One study from Oxford University predicts that AI could replace up to 80% of current jobs. It's not just physical work like factory jobs. AI might take over many white-collar jobs too. Programmers, legal experts, and even creative roles could be filled by machines. Some people call this the rise of the robots. Others say it's the future of progress. But what if AI becomes smarter and better at everything we do? What kind of world will that be? Number 2, deepfakes will be indistinguishable. Have you ever heard of deepfakes? 3, AI predicts crimes before they happen. Have you ever heard of predictive policing? Number 4, AI that lies. No. 5, emotion reading AI. No. 6, AI-generated consciousness. Some experts believe that creating artificial consciousness is just around the corner. 7, AI-run governments. Futurists have an interesting idea for the future. Number 8, AI will know you better than you know yourself. Number 9, AI and autonomous weapons. The future of warfare is here, and it's scary. Number 10, AI predicts the end of humanity. Here's the ultimate mind-blowing prediction. AI might hold the key to our own demise. The rise of AI is like a new chapter in human history. It's full of possibilities, but also challenges. Artificial intelligence is changing our lives in ways we couldn't have imagined. As we look ahead to the future of AI, we have to ask ourselves, what kind of world do we want to create? If you enjoyed this video, please like and share.